Howdy folks, Brad coming at you here with a little box break. I haven't done a box break in, a long time. Probably 2 years. So I went to the card shop, picked up one of these. You'll find these anywhere between $100 and $110 normally. It's one of those products, like there's actually big monster cards in it. Or you can get the $10 box, So we'll see what's in here. But these days, it's hard to find anything around $100 that you could actually pull something out of. So, it's almost impossible. So, we'll try this. I've actually had good luck with stuff like Ginter and Goodwin in the past. So, we'll see what's in here. Do a little box break. All kinds of soccer players, musicians, actors, all kinds of stuff. So we'll see. Let's get her. All right. Oh, starting off with an MJ. Bam. Look at that. He's still a stud. Tiger. I'd rather have the other Tiger. Kim Jennings. I think there's an autograph of him that says Goat of Jeopardy. He inscribed it. That'd be awesome. Decoy. Everybody loves decoys. And I'll do a recap at the end so you don't have to watch this. But I figured it's always good to have box breaks on camera. Why not? Box number 2, or pack number 2. There's 20 packs in this box, so it might be a while. Scarface. Hey, Tiger! Alright, I love me some Tiger. Nothing special to it, but nice little mini. Little Tiger. Nice, so I've hit Tiger and MJ. I'll take that. Miles Bridges. Big boy. I'm not going to know some of these people. I'm not hip. I'll take that. First 2 packs, we got a Tiger and an MJ. Hopefully that's a sign of things to come. Dominic, whoever. Jenny Andrade. What's this? Shiny card. Alex Morgan. America. And the King. Should have Tiger King. Let's see. Christian Coleman. R.J. Hampton. That's kind of like a rookie card because he's one of those people that chose to go to Europe instead of college. And he's a top prospect. So it's kind of like a rookie card. I'll call it a rookie card because I can call it whatever I want. Hey, the great one. Wayne Gretzky. Look at him. All right. So we're hitting some good names here. Another U.S. women's soccer player, Megan Rapinoe. Not my favorite player on the team, but she's good. Oh, another R.J. Hampton. Hey, another Tiger. All right. I like me some Tiger. That's cool. Minnie and a Gouty. Uh-oh, Bron. And Casey Mize. Pack is really thin. Theo Maladon. 2 of them. What is this? This looks different. Wrestling fans will know this guy. Vince Russo. He's the writer for the WWE and WCW during Attitude Era and downfall of WCW. This is the Lumberjack back. These are kind of chipped up, but that's cool. I want to say the Lumberjacks maybe are only like one a box or something. So very nice. Vince Russo. Yeah, you wrestling fans will like that. That's cool. I wonder if Vince Russo has an autograph. Let's see. Man, I could do the U.S. soccer team. Rose Lavelle. Nice. Hey, another MJ. All right. 2 Tigers, 2 MJs. Yes, please. Steve Weiss. Brian Stasic. I don't think I've got a hit yet. I think I was supposed to get 3 kind of weird things. Hopefully I didn't get the non-hit box. Or I just creatively saved all of them for last. Laura Wilkinson, never heard of her. John Buchagross, I always liked him. And, ooh, got another mini of Jamie Munguia. I don't know him, not gonna lie. Ranked as one of the best junior middleweights. Not gonna lie, don't know him. Decoys. Denny Avadija. More Bucci. Feel like I'm just setting you up for a nice Tiger Woods auto or something in here. Let's see. Jamie Dwyer. Ken Jennings. This chick, tennis chick. Hey, Joe Burrow. What up, Joe? I'd rather have the other one. The other quarterback, meaning Tua, of course. All right, this one feels a little firmer. Probably just another decoy, though. So they do that smartly with the decoys. Ooh, it's something shiny. Simone Manuel. I think he's a really good U.S. swimmer. Mini of Fabiano Carano. So is he like the Bobby Fischer now? Ooh, it's shiny. Look at that. It's 3D. In 16, Cariano took part in the chess championship for the first time. One of the country's top competitors heading in, he finished a full point ahead of the challenge. Okay, these are cool. These are 3D type things. And I think this is one of the hits. So I don't know if they're rare or what. But 3D, chess player, kabam. And then her, she's kind of hot. Alright, so like I said, I don't know if those 3D cards are easy to hit or not. I don't know who that guy is, though. I'd rather have a Bobby Fischer. Will Power. James Halsauer. Oh, he's the other chess dude. Or not chess, Jeopardy dude. Ooh, more soccer. Timothy Way. And more Willpower. Got a bunch of decoys. Make my own hits. I need to practice my pack opening skills. Darius Garland. You can only find him in UD stuff. Hey, more MJ. This guy, Timothy Way. I don't know if he's... I think he might be really good. I honestly don't know. Hey, that guy again. This guy's following me, the chess guy. Alright, this needs to heat up a little bit. Oh, Rapino. Hey, Bron. And then this chick, tennis player. Nothing special. European basketball guy. Brendan Bayless. Jamie Dwyer. Hey, Wander Franco. That's cool. Oh, nice. If you got to get a relic, that's one to get. Jason Dominguez. Relic. Basically, because he's a Yankee prospect, people love him. So, very nice. Like I said, you have to get a relic. That's one to get. All right. So I think it's going to be an exquisite rookie. We're going to save that for last. That's the last hit. That's what you want to hit is exquisite stuff. So I have no idea who it is. Covered by Joe Burrow. It's an exquisite card though. Wander Franco, Ben Simmons. Remember when he was a big deal to hitting this a couple years ago? More Ben Simmons and Dominguez. All right. So that's cool. Gonna hit an exquisite. That's what I was chasing anyways. Obviously you can hit like Lace's card or something, but a realistic hit. Rose Lavelle. Like the way she plays. That's right, I watch some women's soccer. Get off me. Phil Dahlhauser. I've been seeing a lot of him and stuff. In this stuff. Not my box in particular, but in general. Ooh, Darius Garland again. I don't even know if Darius Garland had a good year. Did he even have a good year with the Cavs? But yeah, I know he's UD exclusive, so. Ozil, German guy. And this basketball dude again. I don't know. He's probably a top prospect. I don't know. You'll probably see him in the draft here pretty soon. Uh-oh. Last pack, and then I'll show the last hit, which is an exquisite rookie something. Hey, Tiger on the back. Hey, more Rose Lavelle. I did the Rose Lavelle like rainbow master set here. Gretzky, nice. Hey, more Vince Russo. Hey, look at all this Tiger action. Did like the Tiger master set too. All right. And, all right, Joe Burrow covering. Vince Russo on the back, man. All right, here you go. Exquisite rookie autograph. All right, so it's a basketball player. Do we recognize him? Is that Garland? Yeah, it is. Nice. Darius Garland, 63 of 99. Not bad, not bad. I'll take that. Like I said, exquisite was kind of my goal. So very nice. Clean looking card. It's that old like 9-10 exquisite look. I think was the year. Gorgeous. Darius Garland, clean auto, everything. So here's a little recap. We got the Darius Garland was the main hit of the box, I think it's safe to say. Exquisite rookie autograph. Very happy with that. Then, you know, we hit some Tiger cards. Let's see. We hit a Dominguez jersey. So that was another pretty good hit. Then we hit some LeBron Jordan base. And then my other hit, quote unquote, was this 3D dude of the chess guy. And the other main thing, I guess, would be the Lumberjack Mini of Vince Russo. Those were probably your 4 main cards, so to speak, your 4 hits. So pretty happy with that. I think for just over $105 or whatever, I'll take that. It definitely wasn't a shanking. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.